In this exercise, we are going to be taking our house that we started in the Getting Started PDF, and we are now on page 67 in the pre-architectural Revit, and we should also have our house open. So go ahead and open up your house, and we're going to open it to the south view. So I'll go ahead and select the south view. Then go ahead and right click and zoom. Alright, and then in the graphic style at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and select shading with edges. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn the shadows on. So we should have shading with edges. Shadows on. Now if you want to be really cool, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and let's do some advanced model graphics, because I'm not really happy with how dark that is. And if you notice, we have a lot of control here. And then go ahead and select on the sun and shadow settings the arrow, and it's asking us to select the winter solstice, which I think is the longest day of the year, but what do I know? And go ahead and select the time of 9:30, and believe it or not, this is the actual location of the sun at 9:30 in the morning. I give you permission to step outside at 12:22 and check it out. And say OK. OK, OK. Wow, look at that. Alright, and obviously you might want to do this if there's some features here that are being hidden and you want to have them see it. So go ahead and save your work. And then go ahead to page 70, exercise 4, and we're going to be using the Autodesk Revit library, and it wants us to go ahead and take our house, and we're going to select the door. So go ahead and level 1, right click zoom, zoom into fit, go ahead and select the door, and it's actually asking us to select the front door. Actually, go ahead and deselect that and go ahead and select doors or door from the menu on the design bar, and then go ahead and select load, and we'll go ahead and select doors. Now if you don't get this, I may have put it on the server for you if it's not already on your C drive. And you can also access this from the internet if you don't have it. Now my window is already loaded, so once it's there, once you load it, it should stay there permanently, but if it's not there, you can either load it from the internet or you can get it from the server through a link. And then go ahead and select the double panel 2, and go ahead and notice that you should have a preview of the door that you're about to open. And then go ahead and select open, and it wants us to go ahead and remove the check on the tag on placement. Go ahead and remove that. Okay, so go ahead and place them as indicated in page 72. '72 and '73 shows you where to put them. Okay, hit the escape key. Go ahead and fix that one for myself, and go ahead and save your work. And you've completed this portion of the exercise. 3 and 4.